Hey vlog fam, touring Paris on a scooter today. Eiffel Tower, street food, and good vibes. And yes, my ride is paid for by this vlog.
Now, coming to the main topic. The video you just watched was made using Google Gemini's VO3 model. It's a powerful tool, but here's the twist. Normally, to access its full potential, you'd need to buy a pro plan. But don't worry, I've discovered a smart trick that lets you use both Google Gemini and the VO3 model completely free for 15 months. Yes, you heard that right. 15 whole months, without spending a single rupee. Hi, I'm Money Minded and you're watching Money Minded YouTube channel. Let's get straight into it. First, you need a VPN that connects to a US server. If you're on a laptop or PC, install any reliable VPN. But if you're using an Android phone, I recommend downloading an app called SuperVPN. It works well and is simple to set up. Once your VPN is connected to a US server, open Chrome and search for VO3. Click on the option that says Try in Gemini, and then look for Google AI Pro, free for students. This is the part that gives us access to the 15-month free pro plan using a student email ID. Next, you'll be asked to verify your student status. Here, you need to enter an email. But instead of using your own Gmail, head to a temporary email site. The link is in the video description and comments. Copy one of the email addresses provided there and paste it into the verification page. Once done, go back to the temp mail site. You should receive a verification code in your inbox there. Copy the code, paste it into the verification page, and click Submit. If everything goes smoothly, you'll see a message confirming that you're eligible for the Student Pro plan. From here, click Continue and then start your free trial. Now, it will ask you to add a payment method. Don't panic, this is just for formality. No money will be deducted as long as you cancel the plan before the 15-month period ends. I added my card details, and it shows that my Pro access is valid until 2026. Just make sure to note the end date and cancel the plan in time to avoid charges. While adding my card, I faced a small issue with the zip code. If that happens to you too, here's the fix. Go to Chrome and search for the zip code of the US city based on the VPN server you're connected to. Copy that zip code and use it during the card setup. That should resolve the issue. And that's it. You now have full access to Google Gemini's VO3 model for free, for the next 15 months. If you're interested in making cool AI-generated videos with this tool, drop a comment below and I'll create a full tutorial just for that. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Got any issues or questions about the process? Just leave a comment. I'll help you out right there.